will show you as beginner for first step in the Rhino 3D. The first thing, it's at the interface. You see there is a commands, tools here, and here all. For this, it's a customable I did. Okay, I will show you step by step. At first, I will close it all. Okay. We have four views, four positions views. From top, from perspective, from front, from right. Like this. If I do cone, okay, this is wireframe shader. So left click one side, right click all side. Okay. When right click, it will repeat the same command, last command. So this is top. When we click on the top, it will show you top. The main default click, it's a double click like this, but I'm changed from the settings here. I will show you later. Make it one click for a short time. This is front. Okay, this is side or right, and this is perspective. It's a 3D. You can turning as you want. So these four views, we have it. First, the background, if you see, there is a grid. Okay, even the grid you can make custom grid, the sizes, the units. When you don't want for use the grid, you can click on the keyboard F7. But before, I will show you there is a green line, red line, and also green line. The green line, like from the top, you see here, it's a y axis. The red line, it's a x axis, and this green, it's a, or this one, it's a z axis. Okay, it's a dip, z axis, it's a dip, I mean the dip. So if you don't want the grid, you can click on the F7. You see, it's gone. Again F7 or right click on the mouse, will same command will repeat the last command. Okay, so I want to be near. There is a, if you see here, there is a tools and tools. These tools, it's a standard tools. These tools, the first row, it's a main one. The second row, it's a main tool. Sometimes you don't take this on the Rhino. You can put from here on the option settings, toolbar, okay, default, and you can see here as there is all tools. This one, you make click slash, and you will see here, or you put by here by drag. I will show you step by step. Main one, main two, it's a main one row, main two row. Okay, so, and here we have the properties, like when we take like this, the properties by like layer, everything not use as much texturing. Anyway, this is layer, this is most important layer. like when you take, you can this default layer, color and layer, you can change which one you want. Like if I would put on the blue or layer 03, we click on it, right click, change object layer, and you see it will be blue color. So this one, it's a like lamp, a light lamp. When you switch on it, it will hide it. Switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on. Okay, the first one, lamp one. The second one, it's a lock. When I click on it, I select it, but when I lock, you can't. This is very important for maybe many pieces, objects, 3D you working and you want to see it and don't change it or editing or something be wrong. You can make lock and you unlock, open, lock, unlock. Even there is a shortcut here, even you see lock, this general lock, you see it's changed to gray, the color. Even same command, but it's a for everything. Okay, right click will unlock. So this one, the color one, you can click, you can change any color like yellow, orange, brown, everything, you see. Or even you can come here and custom like deepness like this. This is the color. When we bring here, you see this is later we'll tell in another videos, it's a for rendering. Okay, like colors, gloss finish, reflective, texture, everything, emissions and everything, but for sure we'll use this one, the render the render shade. Okay, so here you can change the name, like you click on it, like I will put as it is con or other name as you want. So this is too much important and required for Rhino 3D and even others softwares like Blender layers, Maya layers, everything. To the layers, it's too much important. I will later tell you these also, these small tools, but there is a lot of tools. It's not the thing we should to use the all tools. There is important and main default tools which it's important for us for can make a 3D working designing. This is box edit. It's important again too much because when I click, you see x axis 0, y axis 0, z axis you can put 0, apply. Okay, when we click F7, it's take a middle. You see the middle one. For B on the top, the Z axis here we can put minimum, and again you see minus 5.436 we put 0, and you see it will be on the grid. Okay, here on the grid, the floor on the grid, the floor on the grid. Okay, so when again F7 it will open, switch on, switch off the grid or the right click. Okay, so when you click right click, you see again the view shader like render manually, like wireframe, like artistic, like technical, render, ghosted, when you want to see the back part or inside like this, machinery, chalk. There is a lot of plastic white. Even I put this plastic white I add from custom setting I did. Okay, I put step by step will explain more and more. Okay, uh, for these things, as I told you, I'm only watching the time for first time. I don't want to make more longer. I know first many videos it's for interface display and UI I mean, and step by step the comments like this until to intermediate and advanced like this. A lot of videos should tutorials, because there is a, you see comments here, the comments here, main comments, and you click on it, right click, you will see small comments, sub comments. All it's a comment, same, but no, but they make it each one, the Rhino, each one in its home, its house. Okay. For now, I will close it, and for next videos, more explanation.